I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch.
To whisper in your ear words that I understand. Whoa. Words only you. Oh dear, if only you were mine, I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you.
Should be move my move when you look in my eyes. Cause be now I know that you feel the way I do. I should lie here in my side.
Ha la love you. Please see you love me too.
These three words, they could change my life forever. And I promise you will always till the eye together.
Till the end of time.
So I do today.
So today, I'd finally find the courage inside just to walk right up to your door.
But the body can move when you fly. Finally, good try thousand times before.
Then without a word, he had me this letter already. Read, I hope this finds the way into your heart.
It said, I love you. Please say, you love me too.
These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. Ah,
Till end of time. Will maybe I need little love, yeah.
and maybe I need a little car, and maybe you, or you need someone just to hold you. If
If
you
you
do,
do, you
just
reach
reach out.
out, you
I'll
I'll
be
be there.
there.
I love you.
Please see you love me too.
They
These
could
three
see
words, they could change our lives forever.
and I promise you that you will always be together.
Oh, I love you.
Please say you love me too.
Till the end of time.
Please say. Thank you for watching.